Good morning. We're here in Hollywood Hills. This is the hillside property. I'm inside the crawl space, as you can see. Our customers Holly and Mark called and said that every time it's raining they're experiencing major water intrusion here into the crawl space. You can see all the efflorescence marks, all the water streams. You can see the cinder blocks were wet completely. Now you see the efflorescence marks. It's turning into spalling. It's going to crumble the material soon, deteriorate the rebars. So many issues over here. We started the project on the other side of this foundation wall, and I'll show you what we found out. Okay, this is the other side of the crawl space. We had to remove the deck. We had to cut the concrete slab. What we discovered is that the stucco and the flashing, the metal flashing, is way too higher. It's not protecting the seal plate. As you can see, the seal plate is damaged due to the ongoing water intrusion. Also multiple cracks and holes into the concrete foundation that allowing water intrusion into the crawl space. So what we have to do here is removing this metal flashing, do some waterproofing layers, new flashing, new stucco, and bring down everything here to protect the seal plate.